Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Jamil here, and today in this program, in this video, in these sessions, we're going to talk about what is the ATM, how to use the ATM, and what is the functionality of ATMs and what is the structure of the ATM. So first we talk about what is the ATM. ATM is called automatic teller machine, and there is a lot of advancement in the ATM machine. And what is the purpose of the ATM machine? ATM is 24/7 service that is provided by the different banks that give you ultimate 24-hour service to withdraw your money, to fund transfer, to bill payment, utility services, and many other multi-services functionality that provide you ease and user-friendly environment in which easily, promptly, efficiently and effectively you will be able to withdraw your amount, you will be able to facilitate yourselves through different kind of facilities. So in this video you will learn what is exactly the ATM machine, what is the structure of ATM machine, what are the different things inside the machine, and how to use the machine, because many people want to know about how cash come out through ATM machine, how to insert the card, and how you guys receive the receipt, and how is all this process, because many people are just want to know about these amazing features of ATM machine, that how cash is come out through ATM machine. I mean, in this just a little box, how cash come out, and most of the ATM machine that are out of the population area, why the robbers not able to withdraw the amount from that machine, how to make the security features inside the ATM machine that don't let the people to withdraw your amount, that only let the specific class of the people, the particular peoples to whom bank provide the access to withdraw the money from the ATM machine. So in this video you will learn about all the particular features in which you will be able to use ATM machine. Before you going to learn about how to use the ATM machine, first we're gonna talk about what are the part of the ATM machine. Here you can see that this is your bank ATM card. So what is the functionality of the ATM machine, and how to use the ATM machine, and what are the structure of the ATM machine. So most of you people that are using the ATM machine that see this sort of the display at the ATM machine. So different bank have different sort of the ATM machine, but their functionality, their structure, their hierarchy is almost same like. So here is the display screen to display the menu option. So this is a screen on which you see all the particular option. For example, you're typing something on the keyboard, or when you're inserting your card, it's reflecting something on the screen, and when you are doing different transactions, it pop-ups the menu that show you different particulars options on the screen. And see on the bottom is a keyboard. Keyboard is a really good feature in which you type a different amount here, and see on the right side there are the different button. One is called cancel, other is enter. So enter button, press it when you're trying to do some functionality, and it asks you if the permissions, what sort of the transaction you want to complete it. So when you press the enter button, it let you complete your transaction, and if you want to cancel any sort of the transaction, just click on the cancel button, and then your transaction is cancelled in this particular situation, in this particular scenario. And see on the top side of the right top side on your ATM machine, what is called is magnetic strip reader. Here you try to insert your card, and it let you insert your card, and after that you will be able to enter your ATM pin, and they let you withdraw your amount. So here most of you peoples are just know about the amazing feature of the different ATM machine. Where is some light pop up, most of the green light and red light that indicate that you need to insert your card. So when you have ATM card in your hand, you can see it, there is on the top side there's arrow signs, and you need to insert your card towards the arrow sign. The arrow signs indicate that you need to insert your card in that particular displays your card, because this is the magnetic strip reader. There's a little strip on your card, so he read that strip, and after that it let you perform your transactions. And see, here is the printer, this is the receipt option. When you complete your transaction, it give you the receipts, it give you the print of your transaction on that particular receipts. So they also show you that how much the amount you withdraw and how much is remaining amount, what is the transactions detail, what is the time, what is the date, and what is the reference numbers of your all transactions that you are performing on your through your ATM card on different ATM machine. And see here, this will also be a slot somewhere on the machine to dispense the cash. So this particular place is the particular options where you just try to receive your cash. And if some sort is also the cash deposit machine as well, you can deposit your check and you can deposit your cash in that particular area. So this is called the structure of ATM machine. And most of the peoples want to know that what is inside the ATM machine, because this is just a little box, and many peoples are wonder about how many come out through this little box, and how electronically, how technologically machine try to understand your command. And a lot of the peoples want to know about how different sort of the cash come out, because it's come out like $50, $100, or $20, $70, and in rupee, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, or 5000 rupees. So how different notes just come out from the machine, and how this functionality. So these are all the trays of the cash. So in these trays they are filled with the cash. So for example, these are 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a 5 tray inside this ATM machine. So in this tray it might be cash of $50, here cash $100, here cash $40, here cash is $20, here cash is $30. So they fill this tray with the different cash. So when you give the command to the machine you want to withdraw $500, so this command goes towards this tray, and amount is being picked from each tray, like $20 from this, $50 from this, $30 from this. And then there's one particular option where is combine your all money, and your all monies go out through that particular option where you're able to receive your cash. So here is the paper where you receive the prints of your transaction. So this is the paper, here they insert the paper, and here this is also the box where you insert the card, and sometimes your card don't work, and that goes inside that bin. So your card is stuck, your card is captured inside the machine, and when they open that machine, they open this box, and then they take out your card, and next day or that particular instant time you will be able to receive the cash from that ATM machine. So there is also some other particular option that is related to a different banker. So you don't need to worry about this option. The main thing is you want to know that how the ATM machine work inside, and what is the functionality and structure of the ATM machine. So here when you insert the card, in this particular option, when you insert the card, what it shows on the menus, it shows different option. It shows cash withdrawals, balance inquiries, mini statement, and it shows pin change service, and some instant now is also the ATM card activation services. Some other services are mobile top up, bill payment services. So you just click any of these services, and after that it'll let you perform your desired transaction. For example, you just click on the cash withdrawal service. There's a different option, the fast cash, or you want to select any amount. So if you just click on the fast cash, it give you different option. You want to withdraw this amount, this amount, this amount. So on the another hand, if you choose your own option, it'll let you enter any sort of particular option of your own choice. So in the balance inquiry, when you click on this button, and you can get the receipt of your balance and mini statement, and you can change your PIN of your ATM card and some other services. So this is really efficient, prompt, and really a quick solution. With that, you will be able to use your ATM card. So I must say that most of the peoples are using ATM card nowadays. So see that this is a really good ATM machine that most of the peoples have seen it. This is the screen, and here is the different buttons that you can perform it and see. Here is the keyboard and different option on the keyboard, and here you can insert the card, and from where you can receive the receipt. And this is the money box where you will be able to receive. This is the cash tray. So through this tray you will be able to receive your cash. So here I'm going to share some more tips with that you will be able to protect your card from skimming, because you know, when any technological advancement come in the market, a lot of bad peoples are also, a lot of scammers, and a lot of these sort of peoples are available who try to skim your transaction, who try to skim your ATM informations, so that later on they can make the more card and they will be able to use it. So here I'm also going to share some tips with the help of that you will be able to protect your card, your ATM pin, while performing different transactions on the ATM machine. First is, when you enter inside the ATM machine, first you need to lock the door. So this is the preliminary things, this is the precautionary, and this is the measurement that you need to adopt it. After that, you need to see two particular places. One is the keyboard, and other is the cash tray, and third is the card reader place. So you need to see three places. One is the magnetic particular option where you insert the card, other is the keyboard, and third is the cash tray. So if you feel any sort of irregularity and you think that this sort of the thing should not be here, immediately informs to your local security, or you need to informs to the helpline, because most of the peoples have their hotlines inside the ATM machines that let you immediately, instantly to talk with the representative of that particular bank where you having the account, or which the ATM machine it is. So what these scammers do, they place some artificial keyboard on this keyboard. So when you press different button, they copy your ATM pin. So what another thing they do, they change this reader with any artificial reader. So when you insert card inside it, it try to copy all the informations, all the magnetic information of your card, and later on they can use it. So you need to press this button with your hand, and you need to get the idea that these all are silver coated button, and there is some artificial thing pasted on it. And on this magnetic field, you also need to be shake a little bit to know that this is the permanent join on it, or this is any sort of artificial inserted at it. So through this feature, through this proactive approach, you will be able to protect your card through this sort of the skimming. So hope through this video you will be able to use your card at different ATM machine, and through this video now you have get the idea how ATM machine work. So if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button, so that in the future we upload more informative video for you guys, you will be able to see it first and subscribe our channel. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.